Yapi, Jackie Bird, Imachiapi. I come from the Mandan, Hidatsa, Dakota tribes. And today, after they leave the presentation, number one, we want to connect their hearts and become a family and uplift them and teach them and show them some values of the Native American culture. It's such a beautiful culture, and the way we show it, it's a dance with all nations. And what we do is I'll be doing a hoop dance. I recognize each race. I'll have the yellow, the red, the black, and white. And that represents all nations working together for unity, world peace, and global healing, which is needed more than ever right now. So that's what we do with the hoops and our dances.